Meaning of fox hunting.
Fox hunting.
Fox hunting.
Fox hunting.
Fox hunting. Fox hunting is a type of sport that involves chasing a fox with a pack of trained foxhounds. A group of riders on horseback, known as hunters, follows the hounds, aiming to catch and kill the fox. The activity originated in Great Britain in the 16th century and has since been practiced in various parts of the world. While fox hunting is still controversial due to concerns about animal cruelty, supporters argue that it is an important tradition and helps to control fox populations. Ultimately, opinions on fox hunting remain divided.